Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Airtel account is active and KYC is up to date. This prevents rejection when requesting a new ESIM. Once done, note your device IMEI and keep the Airtel number accessible for OTPs, email, or SMS works. Make a quick backup of contacts and turn off any SIM settings that might cause conflicts. Now open the Airtel Thanks app or visit a store to request eSIM activation and prepare to follow the verification steps immediately. Next, select the eSIM option in the Airtel Thanks app or tell the store agent you want to switch to eSIM. The process is the same: request activation. You will verify identity with an OTP and sometimes an ID upload. This confirms you own the number and prevents fraud. Once approved, Airtel sends a QR code or an activation code by SMS or email. Make sure you stay on the same device and do not reject any verification prompts while activation arrives. To finish, open your phone settings and choose cellular or mobile data, then add eSIM, scan the QR code, or enter the activation details exactly as provided. Once installed, assign the eSIM to your Airtel line, set preferred data and voice options, and restart the device to clear any temporary network caches. Make sure to test calling and data. If something fails, check the IMEI and that the correct profile was installed. Then contact Airtel with your activation reference for rapid resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.